this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we're doing 30-minute total body Tabata HIIT workout. So we have 6 rounds total, and each exercise will be 20 seconds of work with 10 seconds of break. So what we need today is we're going to need a mat, a pair of heavy, and a pair of medium to light dumbbells. Also, don't forget your water and your towel. And if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 30분 동안 집에서 하실 수 있는 타바타, 전신 타바타 운동을 해볼 건데요. 뛰는 동작이 있지만 제가 층간소음 없이 하실 수 있도록 또 동작을 따로 보여드릴 테니 그건 걱정 안 하셔도 되고요. 다 같이 하실 수 있으실 거예요. 그리고 또 오늘 필요한 거는 매트, 그 다음에 무거운 덤벨, 중간 무게 덤벨 필요하고요. 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타올 들지 마시고요. 각 운동은 20초 운동과 10초 휴식으로 이루어집니다. 자, 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Okay guys, ready? Let's start with a big arm circles. Reverse it. I'm all purple and pink, including my nails. Reach. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hamstring curls. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knee lift. Tap. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Side squats. 1 more. Now 3 to the other side. 3, 2, 1. Back lunge, forward lunge. 1 more time. Switch. Back, front. Back, front. Hip openers. 3, 2, 1. Other side. 3, 2, 1. Hands on your shoulders. Rotate. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake your arms out, legs out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So let's go and get started. So we're going to alternate each round, cardio strength, cardio strength. For some, for later on, round 5, we are doing both cardio and strength in the same round. So Tabata 1, we're going to start with cardio. So first one, we're going to start with crisscross. Right here, front, back. Now modify to heel tap. Right here without the jump. Okay guys, ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Crisscross, 20 seconds. Take a break after recovery. Cycle 2, we're doing high knees. Modify without the jump. Ready? Go, high knees. Move your arms. So make sure you're not doing this or this. Keep your back flat or engaged. Take a break. Combine these two. We're doing 2 crisscross, 4 high knees. So here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Modify 2 heel tap cross, 4 high knees. Otherwise, take a break. Same thing next. 1 more cycle. Catch your breath. Here we go. Take a break. Okay, jumping jacks next. Cycle 5. Ready? 20 seconds. Modify. So tap. Bring your hands all the way up. Tap your hands at the top. see me from the side. Okay, we're going to combine these two. We're doing 2 jumping jacks, forward lunge, alternating the lunge. Cycle 7 and 8. So 1, 2, forward lunge. Another jumping jacks. Now modify toe, toe, forward. Toe, toe, forward. Take a break. 1 more cycle, and then we're done with round 1. So 1, 2. Take a break. Great job, everyone. You can stop the timer. Get water. Okay, Tabata 2, we're moving on to our strength round. So we're doing everything standing, so we don't need a mat yet. We need heavy dumbbells for this one. Got my heavy dumbbells right here. So we're going to start with reverse lunge, first cycle, and then I'll show you what we're going to do next. Guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Grab your heavy dumbbells, back lunge. Cycle 2, we're doing tricep kickback. So make sure you're not doing this. Up, slowly down. Ready? Here we go. Up, slowly down. Exhale up, inhale down. Adding a bit of hammer curl. We're going to combine these two. So we're doing reverse lunge to kickback and then reverse lunge other side. Cycle 3 and 4. So reverse lunge, stay low. 1, 2, back straight, lunge, kickback. So if you see me from the side, my back is straight for the lunge, and for the kickback, I'm slightly leaning forward, staying low. Take a break. Let's do that 1 more cycle. And then we'll move on to our next exercise. Ready? Here we go. Take a break. Okay, we're doing bicep curl with knee lift. Palms facing up, bicep curl, knee lift. Arms, legs up and down, same time. Exhale up, inhale down. Oops. Okay, let's do it even slowly. 2 counts up, 2 counts down. Alternate. 1, 2, down, 2. Adding some balance. 2, down, 2. Up, down, 2. Up, down, 2. Keep going. Take a break. Now 7, let's do left side only. Single count. Left side only. Down. Exhale up, inhale down. Back straight. Take a break. Cycle leg, right side. And we'll get a water break. Ready? Here we go. Good. Oh my goodness. Okay, these dumbbells, the ones I got them, make a big difference. Whew. So when you're feeling like, oh, my dumbbells, even heavy dumbbells, are not feeling, if they're not feeling as heavy, then maybe it's time to switch it up to a heavier one. Great job, everyone. Okay, 3, we're moving back to our cardio. First 4, we're gonna be on the floor. Next 4, we're gonna be standing. So, first exercise, have your mats ready. We're doing shoulder tap plank. Okay, guys, ready? In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Shoulder tap. Now modify. You can do it here on your knees. Otherwise, stay on your toes. Okay, take a break. 2, cycle 2, we're doing plank jacks. Plank jacks. Ready? Now modify without the jump. Hands right below the shoulders. Take a break. Okay, now we're going to do shoulder tap, 2 plank jacks, 2 of each. Here we go. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Modify. 1, 2. Come up on your toes. 1, 2. Take a break. Now 4. Let's do this at the same time. So you're going to do shoulder tap, plank jack, same time. Modify. Do it separately. Otherwise, whew. Oh my goodness, okay. Wow. Okay, next one, we're doing jump lunge to front kick. So jump, kick. Modify, lunge kick. Otherwise, now this time we're doing 3 jump lunge to kick. Cycle 6, 7, 8. So we're alternating the legs. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. Modify. Lunge to kick without the jump. Ooh, 2 more cycles. 2 more. Ready? Here we go. 3, kick. Okay, 1 more. Get water. Okay, we're halfway through. Number 4, back to strength. So we need everything standing, so we don't need a mat. We need light dumbbells and heavy dumbbells. So, first light dumbbells first. So we're going to start with lateral raise with a side leg raise. So you're going to have the dumbbell right next to the leg, and then you're going to lift, adding the resistance. Modify. One weight right here, right here. Otherwise, grab the other weight. Okay guys, ready? Cycle 4, Tabata 4, cycle 1, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So you're adding the resistance to your leg. Try to bring your leg arm up, down at the same time. Exhale up. Arms no higher than your shoulder level. Keep your toes front. Take a break, other side. Good. Standing nice and tall. Ready? Here we go. So up and then down. You're going to find what side is a bit easier and then which side is a bit more difficult. This side for me is difficult. Exhale up, inhale down. Good. Take a break. Cycle 3, other side. Here we go. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Keep going. Exhale, inhale. Take a break. 4, other side, and then grab your heavy dumbbells. Up, down. Take a break. Okay, grab your heavy dumbbells. We're doing side lunge to single leg deadlift. Left side first. So side lunge to single leg deadlift. Modify side to a regular deadlift. So make sure deadlift, you're not doing this. Keep your back flat and then go down until your back becomes flat. Take a break, other side. Ready? Here we go. Forward, side, to deadlift. You need to tap your foot on the floor in between, right here. Oops. Other side. You can tell how my balance is worse this side. Ready? Here we go. Take a break. 4, other side. And then we're done with Tabata 4. Ready? 20 seconds.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom.
Take a break. Great job, everyone. Stop the timer. Get water. Okay, 2 more rounds to go. 5, we're doing standing again. So for this, we're doing first 4 cycles, first half cardio, next strength. So we need heavy dumbbells. We're doing double pulse squat jump. 1, 2, and then a squat jump. Modified 1, 2, squat heel raises. Okay, guys, ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So double pulse, squat jump. 1, 2, 1, 2. See me from the side. Here, take a break. 3 more. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh my god, legs on fire. Oh, 2 more. Keep moving. Ready? Whew. Take a break. 1 more. And then grab your heavy weights. Ready? Oh my god. Okay. Now, grab your heavy dumbbell. We're doing reverse lunge, hammer press. Left side. So take a step back. We'll go down, press, down, and up. Stay in your lunge. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. Now you're going to see me from the side. Show you from the side. So now you're doing your right. Take a step back. Lunge. Press. Down. Up. So you're ready? Hammer. Press. Down. Up. Right here. Take a break. 3 other sides. One, 2, 3, 4. Oops. Other side. One, 2, 3, 4. Make big difference.
And every moment counts, baby. I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars.
Okay, next one. Our last round, 4. Focus. We need a mat. We don't need anything. We just need our mat. So, first one, we're gonna start with Commando Plank. So, Commando Plank. We're gonna go down, down, up, up. Modify. Do it on your knees right here. 20 seconds. Guys, ready? Here.
Let's make the most of this night. Come on, baby, take my hand.
Take a break. Now we're gonna combine these two. Cycle 3 and 4. Start with Commando. So down, down, up, up, lift, lift. Modify on your knees. Okay, one more cycle, and then we'll be on our back. Here we go. Okay, wow, next one, cycle 5. We're doing leg raises. Everything's gonna be on our back from now on. So shoulder blades off the floor. Don't drop your feet. Modify, head on the floor, bend your knees right here. Otherwise, shoulder blades, head off the floor, legs are straight. Take a break. Now V crunch. So hugging your knees. So it's a crunch and out. Crunch and out. Hug your knees like a V crunch. Modify. Heels on the floor. Otherwise, keep them up. Now we're going to combine these two. So 2 leg raises, 1 V crunch, hug your knees. So 1, 2, and then at the count of 3, you're going to come up, hug your knees. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1. Take a break. So you get the idea. One more cycle, and then we're done. Ooh, last 20 seconds. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Come up, up. 1, 2, 3. Come up, up. Great job, everyone! We did it! Stop the timer. Okay. Get water. Shake your arms out, legs out. Ooh. Let's start with our shoulder rollouts. 3, 2, 1. Ear to your shoulder, and then up, other side. Up, drop your head down. Roll it side to side. Good, shoulder stretch. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Triceps. Switch. Shoulder. Triceps. Interlace your fingers, palms to the front, press out. Bring your arms all the way up, side to side. And then open, press up, slowly bend forward. Quad stretch, heel to your glutes, keep your knees side by side. Switch. Oops. Heel down, toes up, hamstring calf stretch. Switch. Toes to the front, step out, hips back. And switch. Good. Left over right, hands on your thigh, gently press it down, stretching out your hips. Switch. Good job. 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. 1 more time. And we're done for today. That was our 30-minute total body Tabata HIIT workout, cardio and strength. Hope you enjoyed the workout. Hope you got a good sweat in, like I did. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day. Oh, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday and Thursday. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Thank you, guys.